you ready to kickstart your career as an automotive technician? How about a career as a diesel technician or a welder? If you're ready, so are we. The Ohio Technical College's spring start is right around the corner in April. Don't miss the opportunity of a lifetime to learn from industry experts, gain hands-on experience, and grow your passion into your profession. Whether you're fueling your future as a diesel tech or shifting your life into overdrive as an automotive technician, the Ohio Technical College holds the keys to unlock it all. Don't forget about our incredible welding program, which will provide you with a skill set to carry your career from coast to coast. No matter what program you choose, Ohio Technical College will provide you with the training you've been longing for. So apply today online at ohiotech.edu or call us at 800-322-7000. Tomorrow is here.